Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how quickly and efficiently harvest and process green chili. I hope that this video will help you make the best decisions for your own needs. Welcome to my green chili farm, where every year we grow and harvest some of the best green chilies in the country. Today we are going to take you on a journey through the process of growing and harvesting green chilies. From planting and packaging, we will show you everything that goes into creating the perfect green chili. First, we start by carefully inspecting each green chili pepper, selecting only the ones that are ripe and ready for harvest. These chilies are known for their unique flavor and heat, and only the best will make it to the next step. The chilies are washed and cleaned to remove the dirt or debris. This ensures that they are safe to eat and ready for the next step in the process. After they are cleaned, the chilies are roasted or blanched to soften the skin, making them easier to peel. These steps also brings out their natural flavor and gives them a smoky taste. Once they are roasted or blanched, the chilies are peeled and seeded. This removes the outer skin and the seeds, which can be too spicy for some people. The chilies are packaged, whatever, it's canned or frozen, and ready to be shipped out to the customers all over the country. Before being shipped out, the chilies are packaged carefully to ensure they reach the customers in perfect condition. Each container or bag is labeled with the type of the chili and the date of harvest for quality control. We grow a variety of chili types on a farm, each with its own unique flavor and heat level. Farmer will explain the different types of the chilies and their uses in cooking. Growing chilies is not an easy task. It requires a lot of hard work and attention to detail. Our farm is equipped with a state-of-the-art irrigation system and the equipment to ensure the perfect growing conditions for our chilies. Pest and disease control is an important aspect of chili farming. We use a combination of natural and chemical methods to keep our chilies safe from the pests and disease. We take great care to minimize the impact of our farm on the environment and the community. We use sustainable farming practices and support local characters and organizations. We hope you enjoyed this look into the world of green chili farming. Thanks for joining us on our journey. We hope you enjoyed this look into the world of green chili farming. From seeds to plate, we take pride in growing the best green chilies for our customers. Don't forget to stay by our local farmers, especially store to try some new green chilies for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.